Show you how to make a protective gear here. So when you look at these bags, how they're folded, when you can put your hand, this is the center of the bag where the fold is. These are the outside edges. Now some bags that you buy are going to be straight across, and this isn't going to be so difficult to figure out. You're just going to cut the hole in the center. But on a bag like this, like we get from our supplier, you're going to want to cut the inside corner and the back off, because that's where your head's going to go through. Okay. Okay. Well, there's the hole right there. You don't want to stretch it out any further than you have to, so that it stays pretty snug around you. Okay, then you're going to put your hand out and pop a hole. Pop a hole. Pull it up like so. Okay, and then these are 15-gallon bags, I believe. But I'm guessing your kitchen, typical kitchen 13-gallon bag could work just fine. So you're going to go down here to the bottom, and you're going to poke your fingers through, but you can poke them through one at a time, like so, pretty much, so that most of them have their own hole. Because when you put your glove on, that's going to help hold your glove over the end of this to keep it tight. So let me just see if I can get these finger holes all lined. There we go. And so you can see how it's holding the bag in position and sealing it with the glove. Now the other thing you can do is take duct tape and do a circle around if you're worried about it staying in place. And you pull this sleeve up. You can put a dab of duct tape right there, and just grab a piece quick just to hold this in position for a second. Okay, so you duct tape up there. Again, you can push these into the hole however you want to seal this up a little bit. Then we've got our face mask here that Sherry's been working on. So put this on. And Mark, you want to hand me one of those shields? And then we've got our face shields that we've been working on. Okay, and you've got your personal protective equipment after you put this other sleeve on. So there you have it. Thank you.